Hi guys, sorry for the cutoff, but I'm starting part 2 right now. Sorry about my grandma and aunt talking, they just want to talk down there. So let's go here. Just the fly again. Sorry about that thing. Alright, here's the mirror. Here's the shower. And the door. Alright, let's go in. Oh, gotta turn the light off. Hold on. Okay, now let's go into my room. Sorry about the mess. I just haven't cleaned it in a while. I'm organizing though. And here's the stuff. There's a lot of this. And then let's go into the sleeping room. Turn on the light. Now I'll lay on so you can see it. Anyways, here's the bed. Here's the lamp. And here's the window. And another light. Turn this off. Finally, the last room. Let's go. Here's all this stuff and And then in here. And then her bathroom. And okay, that was it for the house tour. I will be uploading some Roblox in the same day. Bye!